Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find Capitec SWIFT code. First you have to open your browser and search for bank SWIFT code, and then you can find Wise is offering a system where you can find any bank's swift code that available in swift. You can find a swift code of bank, or you can also check a swift code by entering a swift code. Then they will give you the information about the bank that the swift code have, and here you can find a swift code. You just need to find select the country South Africa, and here you have to search for Capitec, and here is Capitec Bank Limited, and then select your city from here. And after selecting a city, click on find swift code. Now here is the swift code. The first, ignore the triple x at the behind, and the swift code is here, and simply click on it, copy the code, and the code will be copied to your clipboard. Also you can search for Capitec Bank swift code, and you can directly find that in the Google search page, where here it is. You can see the CABLZAZZ is the swift code of Capitec Bank. You can simply copy that code and use it. That's how you can find a Capitec swift code easily. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.